Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared we have 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 8, form number 4 and number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 8. This one we change by u. 3s, s, the s we change by this one. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. This one I will put number 6 gone here, and we have 6 plus 1, we have number 7. This one we have number 7, and now we have like this. So number 7 with number 8. We have number 3 over 56 u to the power of number 7 about u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.